tool aid before.
Huh? What's going on? Whoa, how strange. Sorry about that, Ebo. Here we go. Almost there, Mr. Monkey.
Chugs away!
Uh-oh, sharp bend coming up. Hold tight, Ebo. Ouch! What's happening? Huh? An apple? I didn't see any apple trees. Did you, Mr. Elephant? Hey! Stop that right now! You naughty elephant! You're going to dent my fenders! Ow! Train-tastic! We made it! Welcome to your new home, Mr. Monkey. Phew! This is a steep hill. Look, we're nearly there. Animal badge, here I come.
Wilson! You lost your car!
Bye, Mr. Monkey. I hope you like your new home. Well, that was an easy badge to get. Moving elephants is a piece of cake.
Wilson,
Yeah?
where's the elephant?
Oh, I must have forgotten to buckle up the car properly. I'd better go and look for him. Oh, now I won't get my badge.
Don't worry, he can't have gone far.
Wilson! Wilson! It's Ebo!
I know. I've lost him.
No, you didn't. That naughty elephant unbuckled the car with his trunk.
He did?
Yeah, quick, go and catch him, Wilson. There's still time to get your badge.
On my way.
Good luck.
Hey, Ebo! Stop right now!
Whoa, that was quite a ride. Oh, I think there's something wrong with your wheels. You really should get them looked at, Wilson.
Okay. Good luck with your cream. I hope you win. That feels better without the boxcar.
You've got to get your wheel fixed, Wilson.
Yeah, what if it falls off?
But I...
Come on, Wilson. We're taking you to a repair shed. Hello, Peckham.
Hi, Wilson. What can I do for you?